first one is exposure, which says if you want to learn to like a new food, you're going to have to eat it, which is true. And I've heard this is the same for olives. If you eat a lot of olives, then you're going to learn to love them. And I eat a lot of olives and I love them, but I don't know if that is true. Recently I've been having ready break, which is like the step before porridge, because I like ready break. I can deal with ready break, so maybe it is the texture that I don't like. The second thing is adjustment using liked tastes. So I've been having my ready break with the Outpro chocolate soy milk, and it is 10 out of 10. It's made me like it a lot more. So maybe I should try porridge with chocolate soy milk. So the third one is what not to like. You have to work out what it is about the food that you don't like and adjust it to the problem. So today I'm going to be working on that one, and then throughout the rest of the video I'll work on the other two, which I'll explain in a minute. So for breakfast this morning I'm going to make this baked porridge recipe that I found to see if it's taste, the texture. It's even said sometimes things like how it feels in between your teeth, how it looks. So you need to find something that works for you. And this baked porridge recipe I might like because it might be like flapjack, but the main thing is I didn't want it to be super sugary, because the whole point of porridge is that it's like good for you and it keeps you sustained for super long. And I see it and it looks so nice. People put like peanut butter on it, people put banana, and I just don't like it. So I'm gonna try this baked porridge. Okay, I'm gonna let those bake, then I'm going to try them. And I think if you're watching this video, then maybe you can use this process to help you like a food, because I know it's so annoying when you want to like something but you just can't. Okay, they've just come out of the oven and I'm gonna wait for them to cool a bit and then I can have them. Hello everyone, I am now washed and ready for the day. I've got my baked porridge here. I don't know if you can see, and I'm gonna give it a go. I'm actually a bit nervous. That is very unique texture, that's for sure. It's like an omelette. I mean, it came out without any greasing, that's kind of good. You know what, Dad? I've never had anything like this texture. It is so unique. It's quite small considering how much it's got in there. I mean, there's a little bit left over in that one, but we shall see if it keeps me full. I mean, you'd think it would if it's got oats, milk, and egg. Would you like to try some?
It's very
eggy.
Notice you didn't give me a bit with chocolate chips.
See? I mean, I wouldn't be running back to try it again, but I wouldn't be turn it down. Do you know what I mean? You could pre-make these on a Sunday, shove them in the fridge, and have them throughout the week. I put the recipe I used in the box below. I'm gonna have the second one. So tomorrow I'm gonna try the fourth step, which is something to do with flavours, and I've asked my friend Lydia, who is a porridge expert. That is her forte. I've asked for advice on how to cook it, what flavours and stuff. So I'll try that tomorrow. Good morning. Today's a big day for Grace. She's going to be trying porridge. I have gotten a recipe from my friend, as I said, and I was doing some searching on Instagram and I found loads of porridge accounts, and I was quite inspired because they look so beautiful. And how can you not want to eat something that looks beautiful? Because you eat with your eyes first, as they say. And today we're focusing on number 4 or 5, I can't remember, which was flavours. So we're going for a banana and peanut butter, and I'm going to add some chocolate chips again because I think they really enhance that. And then if I can eventually get the chocolate chips out of it, then I might start to enjoy the porridge even more. Lydia said to put the banana in now because I'm sending her pics as I go. I know this sounds so dumb because I go to bakery school, but I just want to make sure it's right, you know. I've never done it right. Okay, it's crunch time. It's time to decorate her, pop her in a bowl. Okay, where's the maple syrup? Then we're just gonna do... Oh, I think I went too crazy there. Okay. Oh, now I need to send my final picture to Lydia and taste test it. It looks good, I'm not gonna lie. I think it does anyway. Okay, it's taste test time. Also, we got some new spoons yesterday, new cutlery for the first time in years, and I can't wait to put my mouth around this because it's a really smooth spoon. Okay, Lydia's saying she's nervous. I'm nervous too. What if I hate it? The chocolate chips have gone melty. It looks really aesthetically pleasing. Please like it, Grace. Please, this would solve everything. You like Ready Breck, and this isn't different from Ready Breck, essentially. Okay.
I eat with such elegance.
I'm not gonna lie, it is better. It's the toppings and the flavour pairings. Honestly, this website that I found, this document on how to train yourself to like food is, I think what I've discovered it is how the porridge feels in my teeth. It's got like a, maybe I'm still making it wrong, but it's got like it's got like a gritty bit. I don't know if gritty's not the word, but let's try a bit more with the, oh, let's go for some peanut butter. She looks like a good mouthful. Okay, I'm gonna do this whole bowl because it's not like unedible. I normally couldn't even hack another mouthful, but the chocolate's really helping. You can see though that I'm trying to eat through the pain.
Drama queen!
I really want to like it. I'm trying. I wish I liked porridge. Now I've eaten all the toppings, I don't want to eat the plain bit. So maybe that was a rookie mistake, but I'm gonna try. Now it's really not as enjoyable. I'm trying to trick myself here. I don't look like I can boo anymore. Good morning. So we have one more thing to try. Obviously I've kind of merged all of the categories. So today I'm gonna try one last recipe. But I think we have just decided that it's not for me. So today I'm going to try one last recipe, which is going to be waffles. I'm going to use the oats in waffles, which is trying a new recipe obviously, and see if the texture's too much in the waffle, if you know what I mean. Which I don't think it will be, but I think it could still be a bit. It's gritty, I don't know how else to describe it, and that is what puts me off. I don't know, we're gonna make these waffles and see if the texture offends me, because maybe I can train myself to like the texture. I don't know. Okay, we have our first round of waffles. Let's try these puppies out. I've put chocolate chips on them, but they have banana in them, so I don't think they need any maple syrup. They're good.
Okay everyone, you know what it's time for. It's time for the debrief at the end of the video. I just want to say a few things. Firstly, I've decided I don't like porridge. Don't know what element it is that I don't like. I do think it's the texture. I've just had to admit defeat and I can't do porridge anymore. I'll stick to Ready Breck. They're basically the same thing anyway. Say there was a zombie apocalypse and all that was left was porridge in my cupboard. Now I know that I could make baked porridge, I could make waffles. I used to pretend when I was younger that I liked cucumber because my older sister liked it, and I copied basically everything she did. And then I realised one day, I was like, I absolutely hate this. Why am I putting myself through this? I don't like cucumber. So maybe I should try this method with cucumber and see if that works. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Let me know if there's a food that you have tried that you now like. Maybe you could test this. Maybe you're the same and you want to try it with cucumber. Let me know down below.